A special name, isn't it? Have you ever known about it? Then, at that point, the present moment is the second to inform yourself about it. It might appear to be a story, yet that is the means by which this exceptional advanced cash's process started at first. According to the information, Dogecoin bears this odd yet particularly appealing name, which turned into a mascot of a Japanese type of dog called Shiba Inu and consequently Doge. A decision element of Dogecoin today is a tipping administration. Clients will tip different clients for posts or commitments they accept merit acknowledgement. It is a more compelling way than just like on any web-based entertainment stage that urges different clients to peruse the survey and be intrigued to purchase Dogecoin. Endless online entertainment publicity by retail financial backers accounts Dogecoin digital money to constantly eclipse recently sent off canine coins like Shiba Inu. The central thing that isolates Dogecoin from most other altcoins in the cryptographic money market is expansion as opposed to deflationary digital currency. Bitcoin and numerous other cryptographic forms of money are planned to such an extent that they have a hard stockpile cap of monetary standards. The expected issue with this is that once the cap is reached, it might as of now not be productive for diggers to keep on supporting the framework. This prompts an ascent and colossal high charges to support excavators or extremely deferred or late exchange processes, as there would be no issue with handling network exchanges. At the point when markets have neither rhyme nor reason, when basics never again appear to issue, it turns out to be clear the standards are being reworked or even tossed through the window. We could be in the imaginative obliteration stage that will give way to another rush of development. What's more, in that wave, new sorts of resources could have a good spot in portfolios. In the meantime, the untethered idea of current value rationale is upsetting, and an update that imaginative obliteration can be horrible to those trapped in the progress. Vulnerability isn't really great for trust, and an absence of trust isn't really great for progress. No big surprise, dissimilar to all cryptographic forms of money, Dogecoin esteem also was helpless to the high and lows of market esteem, i.e., cost vacillations. According to the specialized examination of Dogecoin, it also could come in the stuff of unpredictability, so you really want to keep an eye out for your venture. You want to peruse the cryptographic money cost figure and be ready. In spite of the historical backdrop of tempests and twisters in the cryptographic money market, there is a fair Dogecoin future. The transient assessment for the prompt help level is $0.051, the pivotal help level is 3 cents, while the qualities for the quick and essential obstruction levels are $0.121 and $0.166, individually. Be that as it may, over the course of the past year, computerized monetary forms have seen a monstrous instability stage, and Dogecoin is no special case. The general cryptographic money market capitalization has denoted a huge change, including Dogecoin's market cap as well. In any case, we actually must know the changes in Dogecoin cost may be impacted in view of the present moment and the drawn-out conjecture of cost. During the last year, the Dogecoin cost activity stamped uncommon changes alongside its market capitalization. According to the last year's cost pattern, the Doge cost has confronted a huge fall after a critical bullish convention. In any case, the new Dogecoin cost vacillations have shocked financial backers and merchants in the midst of a gigantic auction. Truth be told, the Dogecoin cost estimate has been the cynosure of the media. The careful focus earned by Dogecoin tokens is basically because of its change. The Dogecoin cost expectations have actuated new financial backers to search for a long-haul gain from the Dogecoin speculation. As indicated by the most recent Dogecoin news and tweets, the Doge cost forecasts hypothesize an unpredictable pattern. According to the Dogecoin cost conjecture, the most extreme cost expected during the current year is around 9 cents. The base cost expected is around 2 cents. In the event that we take a gander at the drawn-out point of view, the future cost of Doge is anticipated to be around its past ATH of 73 cents over the course of the following 10 years, as per our drawn-out cost forecast. Dogecoin Price Prediction 2022. Elon Musk has kept assisting with helping the cost of Doge. Dogecoin's cost has seen a slight development throughout recent days. Elon Musk's persistent help with tolerating Dogecoin as an installment for merchandise and institutional reception has been valuable to the coin. In May 2021, Dogecoin's cost hit another unsurpassed high of $0.7376. Because of ceaseless VIP support and furthermore recorded on eToro, proceeding with critical development as far as cost in the impending months is anticipated. Elon Musk's tweet makes sense of that one can purchase Tesla merchandise with Dogecoin. Likewise, as indicated by the Tesla official site, one can utilize Dogecoin to buy the Cyber Whistle, Giga Texas belt buckle, and Cyber Quad for kids. As per the Dogecoin news, AMC has begun tolerating installments in image coins like Dogecoin from March 19, 2022, and Mark Cuban, the proprietor of Dallas Maverick, acknowledges Dogecoins for tickets and product. The image coin got some decent forward movement via virtual entertainment after Elon Musk's supporting motions. Elon Musk's tweet expressing the acknowledgement of the token as a functioning installment mode for merchandise carried forward movement to Dogecoin's cost, affecting business sector Dogecoin cost expectations emphatically. Additionally, when asked what compels him pick Doge over different coins, he answered over Twitter that Doge has canines and images, though the others don't. Moreover, the Ukrainian government has now chosen to acknowledge Dogecoin gifts in the midst of the Russian attack. As of late, Keith Johnson has blamed Elon Musk for a supposed Dogecoin fraudulent business model and has sued him for $258 billion on June 16. That's what he says. Musk involved his platform as world's richest man to work and control the Dogecoin pyramid scheme: revenue-driven, openness, and entertainment. On the cost front, according to the one-year Dogecoin figure, the transient typical cost of Doge is anticipated to cross 5 cents before the current year's over because of the new gigantic auction in the crypto market. Dogecoin cost is supposed to recuperate its lost force and head towards its opposition level of $0.1212. According to the Dogecoin cost expectation for 2022, the cost of Dogecoin could cross 7 cents before the year's over. The anticipated high for 2022 may be around 9 cents, and on the drawback, the low may be around 2 cents. The one-year cost is projected according to our expectation for 2022. Dogecoin prediction 2023. According to the market feeling and specialists' perspectives, the cost of Dogecoin could enlist a continuous ascent. Also, by mid-2023, the Doge would have the option to cross the 10 cents mark. The anticipated high for 2023 may be more than 20 cents. On the disadvantage, the low may be around 6 cents. Dogecoin predictions